Hello everyone, this is your Joshni and I'm going to tell about Edwin Hubble in presentation. So please like and subscribe my channel. Okay. About Edwin Hubble. Edwin Pearl Hubble, November 20, 1889, September 28, 1953. He was born 1889 and died 1953. Was an American astronomer. He played a critical role in establishing the fields of eclectic astronomy and observation class casol- cosmology. Born November 20, 1889, Marshfield, Missouri, US. Died September 28, 1953, aged 63, San Maria, California, US. What is Edwin Hubble famous for? Like he Hubble Space Telescope. Edwin Hubble's discoveries transformed the frontier of scientific knowledge. His work took us beyond the Milky Way and placed us in ever-expanding universe with a myriad of galaxies beyond our own. How did Edwin Hubble discover that the universe was expanding? Hubble's brilliant observation was that the redshift of galaxies was directly proportional to the distance of the galaxy from the Earth. So, he his brilliant observation was that redshift of galaxies means redshift. Here you can see the redshift of galaxies was directly proportional to the distance from the Earth. So the redshift of the galaxies was very directly from this proportional to the distance of the Earth. So it's in the distance proportionally directly it was in the distance of the Earth. That meant the things farther from that meant that things farther from Earth were moving away faster. So with that he knew that the Earth were moving away faster. So with the red shift of galaxies, he knew that the Earth were moving away faster. In other words, the universe must be expanding. Means the Earth were moving faster means in other words we can tell that the universe was expanding. He announced his finding in 1929. How many observations did Edwin Hubble made? 1.3 million observations. Since its mission began in 1990, Hubble has made more than 1.3 million observations. How much did Hubble telescope cost? Its original building cost of more than US 2 billion 2 billion are exceeded sorry are sorry okay. How much did Hubble telescope cost? Its original building cost of more than us us 2 billion are exceeded only by the upcoming James Webb Space Telescope, and the total running of the Hubble have now far exceeded US 10 billion. So in the very long time there was only 2 billion. When the James Webb space telescope came, the Hubble telescope now has far exceeded for US $10 billion. Why is Edwin Hubble important? The telescope has helped the scientists understand how planets and galaxies form. Galaxies contain billions of stars. A picture called Hubble Ultra Field shows some of the farthest galaxies ever seen. So, the telescope made the scientists how planets and galaxies form. So, and a picture called Hubble Ultra Deep Field shows some farthest galaxies seen, means we never seen that galaxies ever. So that telescope shows the us galaxies, and Hubble has helped scientists learn more about explosions that happen when huge stars burn out. If anything, huge stars burn out means how we have to take care and what about it. Okay, he helped in that. How did Edwin Hubble change the view of the universe? Hubble found that by timing a star's fluctuations of luminosity, he could measure its distance from. So, Hubble found that from timing of stars, so he could measure distance from that. With this technique, Hubble proved that the nearby Andromeda Nebula was not a gas cloud in our own galaxy, but was actually a separate galaxy. Gas cloud is nothing but it's they thought like a cloud with a gas. Okay, that's meaning of gas cloud. How did How did Edwin Hubble impact the world? Hubble discovered that the farther away a galaxy is, the greater its speed. Means, let me explain. Like, um, if braided spiral galaxy and spiral galaxy, okay, if they're far, the greater speed it has. Means it will have very much speed to revolve or anything. This scientific rule is called Hubble's law. So this scientific will be there, right? Means I told, right? If the farther away galaxy is greater its speed, means it's called as Hubble's law. Hubble's discovery meant a major change in our idea of the universe. Glossary: fluctuation, an irregular rising and falling irregular in a number amount or a variation, means irregularly rising. Luminosity, astronomy. Luminosity, the intrinsic brightness of celestial object as distance from its apparent brightness diminished by the distance. So the brightness of a celestial object is known as luminosity. Proportional, concentrating in size or amount to something else. Milky Way. The Milky Way is a galaxy that includes our solar system. All know Milky Way, but I'm adding here. The Milky Way is the galaxy that includes our solar system, with the name describing the galaxy's appearance. Andromeda Nebula. The Andromeda Galaxy, also known as Messiah 31 M31 or NGC 224, and originally the Andromeda Nebula. So Andromeda Nebula is a galaxy. It's known also Andromeda Galaxy and Andromeda Nebula. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.